Hi, so in this video, we are going to cover that what were the major substitutes products, which were majorly or primarily, being used in grill applications. तो सबसे पहला प्रोडक्ट है GRC, ग्लास रीइंफोर्स्ड कंक्रीट। ये अपने आप में आज से नहीं बल्कि लास्ट 2-3 डेकेड से बहुत कन्वेंशनली ये प्रोडक्ट यूज होता आ रहा है। सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट है FRP, फाइबर रीइंफोर्स्ड प्लास्टिक। FRP grills also have been, in India from last more than 2 decades. Then the third are the cement grills, जो कि अपने आप में एक cement concrete grills हैं। ये भी एक काफी पुराना प्रोडक्ट है और एक conventional प्रोडक्ट है। And the fourth are MDF grills. And the fifth one is the solid surface, that is the Korean grills, which are also being made. तो majorly ये 5 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं और इसके अलावा अभी जो recently आया है, whether it is aluminum or the SS sheet grills, ये 5-6 मेजर प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो कि फसाड्स के अंदर, शाफ्ट कवरिंग एप्लीकेशंस के अंदर जो अभी तक मेजरली यूज आए हैं। डेफिनेटली इसमें से अगर मैं एल्यूमिनियम या एसएस की मेटल कटिंग ग्रिल्स की अगर बात करूं तो दे आर द रीसेंट प्रोडक्ट्स, फ्रॉम लास्ट 5-7 years, they have been primarily into the market, because they have got the manufacturing facilities in India from last 5-7-10 years itself only. So, but अब इन 5-6 प्रोडक्ट्स की क्या मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स थी? Let us cover some of the few major problems which actually led to the invention of this product. So the few problems were, first was it was heavy, like in case of GRC, it was too much of heavy, and it used to increase the dead load weight of the building. It used to get damaged by water and moisture when we talk about MDF grills. Then there were limited design options, because the product being made with grills, so definitely there were limited design options which could be made in that. Then it was harmful for environment. When we talk about FRP grills, then definitely yes, it is being harmful because it releases toxic emissions. Then there are certain products which are expensive. When we talk about aluminum grills, like aluminum sheets, getting a CNC cut, they turn out to be an expensive solution. When we talk about GRC, that also, or when we talk about UPVC louvers, even that is an expensive option. So then time consuming, because there are certain products, out of these 6-7 products, which are made out of molds. So when a product is made out of a mold, definitely it is more time consuming. Then there are certain products, which are low in strength, out of these 7 options. Then definitely, in terms of customizable, like when we talk about a solid surface, grill, then definitely it comes in a size of 2.5 feet by 10 feet. So it has a, a dimension, problems, that it cannot be customizable in any width or any thickness, Then there were another problem, of quality, like that is precision, because the precision, when the precision will not be there, then definitely yes, the grills, they do not look standardized in the, in terms of provision, in terms of precision. Then we talk about, the ROI. So then definitely yes, whenever anyone is using, the return on investment which they were getting in terms of the value which they were deriving out of using that product was much low, and these were the major, in compilation, the reasons which actually forced us, to invent a product which actually covered all those disadvantages, and it came out as a product which had actually none of the demerit which I stated prior. And all these demerits, in totality only forced us to invent a new product 7 years back, and that's what we did. All these demerits, were kept into consideration while designing this product. And definitely, yes, when this product, the Ecoste grills were invented, they were kept in mind that none of these demerits, of the conventional product, of the comparative product which is there in them should be there. Our every user, whosoever is using our product, they should get free from all these pains, and that was the major reason.